Today we're going to talk about some woodworking tools, and more specifically tools to make guitars. Here are a few of the tools RobbJack offers for woodworking. This video focuses on building a guitar, but many of the tools used here in this example are used in many type of woodworking applications, from cabinets to architectural furniture. Miniature tools are available in stock from 5 thousandths of an inch to 62 thousandths of an inch in every 1 thousandths increment. Ball end tools are used to do three-dimensional shapes. Here's an example of a ball tool doing the curve on the back of the guitar neck. Here's another example of a ball tool creating the three-dimensional shape on the front of the guitar. Up or down shear tools can be used for trimming and pocketing. Up shear tools are best when you're trying to remove debris out of the slots. Up shear tools can achieve faster feed rates with deeper cuts without the problem of packing debris in the slot. Down shear tools put downward force on the top edge of the material, producing the cleanest edges if you have flaking or chipping problems. Here's a custom form tool that creates the radius on the front of the fretboard.